Hi there, my name is Dave Delgado with Delgado Realty, and I'm a top producer, and I love helping people buy and sell houses, but I also like just impacting people's lives. This is where, if you're thinking about getting your license as a realtor, I'm the go-to person to help you with that. Let me give you just quick background about myself. I've been featured across the country as a speaker. I'm an author, #1 bestseller on Amazon. I've co-authored a book with Jack Canfield, who happens to sell over 500 million books. I've actually started my business where I was over $100,000 in credit card debt. I was going into foreclosure, bankruptcy, cars were getting repossessed, and a short few years later, I sold over $6 million in real estate gross commissions. I made that kind of money in a short period of time, helping hundreds and hundreds of buyers and sellers in the process, generating over 21,000 leads, okay, in our system today. I am definitely somebody that can help you with this process of getting your license and setting you up for success. I've got a list here of things that you can do to get you started, to get your license. I've actually got the books. Okay, we got books here. These are a couple classes that you got to take. One of them is called the Real Estate Principles, and it's not too bad. I mean, we got all the tutorials, we got training CDs, we got tests, practice tests, you name it, all designed to make success happen. A couple of awards that I've received over the years, mentioned, throughout our real estate board, throughout the country, being one of the top producing agents, not just locally, but across the country. This is our deal board. You can see, we've got several deals right there. It's been amazing, with all these deals. A training program here for you to help you. It breeds success, right? This is my playbook right here. So I've got a playbook design right here, all designed so that way we have it all designed so that way it's just a step-by-step procedure of exactly what to do next and how to do it. And I train with you and I mentor you and I coach you on each step of the way. Another thing that we do is I've been featured on Agent Magazine right there. So it's basically a magazine for realtors. I've got a checklist of the process of, again, just becoming very successful in this business. So I've got all the marketing. I do a lot of different marketing to generate business. Here's some more awards right behind me. That one right over there. I've been featured on Fox, CBS, you name it, on Success Today. Been mentioned right over here. Some more awards. One of the top teams in the country right there. That's awesome. I've been a notable agent, right? Only 9 notable agents out of thousands of agents. They only selected 9 and I was one of them right there. So you see that? Notable agent, that's me. That was just an awesome and an honor to be selected as a notable agent. I've got a book right over here. I've got an award right here for the Soul of Success down in Hollywood. Down in Hollywood, I got this award. So that was an event right there by itself. And you can see this is part of my office right here where you could call home as well. And I love to kind of sit down with you and just go over, what it takes to get involved with real estate, help you get licensed, and put a blueprint together so that way you can have success, right? So that's my book right there with Jack Canfield. Jack Canfield is an author. He has sold over 500 million copies. Okay, that's just incredible. And I co-authored a book right there. We were ranked #1 on Amazon, right there, #1 from Amazon. That's our certificate right there, the Soul of Success for business marketing. And that's my specialty, is business marketing. I know how to market. I know how I could build you up to be an expert in your area. I could build you up so that way people, buyers and sellers, are going to seek you out and want to use you to help them with the biggest transaction that they will ever do, which is buy and sell a house. So when you have that type of positioning in marketing, people are going to want to do business with you. And that's why I wanted to record this video, so that way if you're thinking about getting licensed as a realtor, that's what I do. I help people And I would love the opportunity if you just called me at area code 562-252-7889 and just to schedule a time where we can sit down and put a plan together. If this is on your heart to sell real estate, help people achieve their dream, if you're really, if this is implanted in your heart about helping people and help people with this process here, and you love to put people first, money second, because I guarantee you money will come. I will show you how to make $100,000 to $300,000, even millions of dollars selling real estate. I will show you everything I've learned over the years, and I did it very, very quickly. So I at one point in time, I was in foreclosure, cars were getting repossessed, you name it, filing bankruptcy. I've seen it all. And I quickly turned my business around. Within a short period of time, I generated over 20,000 leads in our system. I've also generated over, $6 million in gross commission checks and helped hundreds and hundreds of families buy and sell their home. So I know what it takes. I certainly know how to take and implement things. And it's a very simple business, because what I do is I break it down in steps. This whole business is all just in lots of little steps. Very complex process, and simplified it so that way I can do it. I'm no rocket science, I tell you that right now. I barely graduated from high school. I probably would not be able to graduate high school today if that was when I graduated, because they have changed things quite a bit from my understanding. They made it more difficult. So I was probably one of those children that they just didn't want around for another year, and they just pushed me out the door just so I could say I passed, right? So I share that with you is because I'm no rocket science. I just know this business, and in order for me to be successful, I just had to make it very simple for me to do, and I simplified it, and that's why I came up with this playbook, and I just systemized the whole entire process to make it very easy, because I'm not a complex type person. If it's too complex for me, I end up not doing it. But because it's so simple now, I didn't reinvent the wheel. I just kept on doing the same thing over and over that produced, these outstanding quantum leap results that I'm willing to share with you for, being part of our brokerage. All you have to do is just give me a call. My phone number is area code 562-252-7889. Thanks for watching, and let's go make it a great day. Bye-bye.